Welcome back to our Koso Kitchen. My name is Eriko. I'm a holistic nutritionist. Today I'm going to show you how to make healthy postbiotic apple tea made with ginger, cinnamon, apple, and Koso. You need a slice of ginger, half apple, cinnamon. There are two types of cinnamon, Ceylon cinnamon, which is also known as true cinnamon, and Koso cinnamon. I always choose Ceylon cinnamon because of its flavor and also the amount of coumarin it contains. Koso cinnamon contains high amount of coumarin, which is a sweet-smelling compound and is harmful. If you don't eat cinnamon often, you don't need to worry about this too much. But if you like cinnamon and you have it often or take a large dose, it is a good idea to choose Ceylon cinnamon. Ceylon cinnamon contains much lower amount of coumarin. You can tell Ceylon cinnamon by the way it looks. Koso cinnamon has more space inside. Ceylon cinnamon is more dense. Now I'm going to show you how to make healthy postbiotic apple tea. It's super easy as always. Add sliced apple, ginger, tea wax, and hot water to a pot. Let it steep 5 minutes. Apple and cinnamon contain large amount of polyphenol which helps support our gut health. With our Koso, they work even better. Pour the tea from the teapot. Wait a little for the tea to cool down if it's too hot. Add our Koso. This tea is super tasty. Hope you like it. Thank you for watching. See you again soon.